Good morning, students. Welcome to our next term and welcome to our online classes. Okay, so today our topic is active versus passive voice. It's our grammar concept 5th class. So please watch it carefully and understand that what do you mean by active voice and what do you mean by passive voice. Now here students we will discuss about voices, active voice and passive voice. Now in active voice means that what the subject does or do. What the subject does or do in the sentence. And if we are talking about passive voice, that means the whole focus is on the action. What the action has to be done in the sentence. So, in short, active means what the subject does. But in passive, we have to focus on the action. Which action has to be done in the sentence. Okay. So, now here is an example also. In active voice, Ram killed रावण. राम ने रावण को मारा था. This is an active voice. Okay, what the subject does. In this sentence, Ram is the subject here. Okay, so now if we are talking about passive voice, we come to the object part. That is Ravan. Now here we have to interchange subject into object and object into subject. For example, you can see Ravan was killed by Ram. Here in passive voice students, by is the main. By word is the main to change in passive voice. Now, रावण was, रावण को मारा गया था. By Ram, Ram के द्वारा. So, this is in the passive voice and this is the active voice. Now, here is another example for you students. In active voice, as we had learned that we have to focus on the subject, what the subject does. Okay, so in active voice, another example, one should respect one's elders. One should respect one's elders. Now again we have to interchange while we are changing active voice into passive voice. So we have to change the subject into object and object into subject. So we have to make now the passive voice. Elders should be respected. Elders should be respected. So here you can see that we interchange subject into object and object into subject. Another example, kids, you can see on the screen. Wild penguins attacked my sister. So, this is an active voice. Wild penguins attacked my sister. So, now how we can change into passive voice? Subject into object. So, here my sister is the subject. So, we have to change subject into object. So, what we will make? My sister was attacked by the penguins. So, we will change here subject into object and object into subject. Clear? I think you all now cleared the topic of active and passive voice.